Craving a burger that's actually worth it? This is it. Raging Bull Burgers at Shangri-La Plaza brings bold, premium flavors, perfect for those serious about their burgers. Their patties are grilled over charcoal, locking in that smoky, juicy flavor that sets them apart. We ordered the Raging Wagyu, and honestly, this might be the best burger I've had so far. Juicy, flavorful, and cooked just right. If budget isn't a concern, it's a must. Their sweet potato fries are also a standout. Crispy on the outside, soft and naturally sweet inside. The Mighty Combo is a solid pick. 1/3 pound Angus patty with their barbecue sauce and thick cut fries on the side. They also offer a variety of sauces you can try for free, perfect for switching up the flavor with every bite. Unlike their BGC flagship, the Ortigas branch is all about burgers. No steaks here, but the quality still top tier. I've been to their BGC branch before, and I'm happy to say the experience in Ortigas is just as good. Same quality, same bold flavor. Whether it's Wagyu indulgence or a serious burger craving, Raging Bull Burgers delivers. Follow for more craveworthy food spots around the metro.